Do you know who Eurospark are? Well, I'm here with Ryan to find out all about the company and what's coming in the future. Ryan, some exciting new machines coming to the UK. But before we get on to your new partnership, who is Eurospark? What do you guys do?
So we've been specialist providers of EDM solutions to the UK market since '93. So over 30 years experience now. We supply to the full range of companies from one-man bands, medium-sized, small precision engineering companies, up to large multinational corporate business as well.
And it's not just wire EDMs you guys do, you do a full range of machines.
Yeah, we do everything EDM. So obviously we're here to talk about wire cut today, but we also do die sinking, fast hole drilling, and also the broken tap remover that everyone knows.
So that's the history and what Eurospark do. Now, KMWAY, you guys must have looked around for quite a while before you decided on a new partnership. So talk me through that.
So obviously bringing a new product to the market is no small endeavor. We spent about 6 months looking, checking the market, see what was available. And when we were introduced to KMWAY, we found that they fit. Not only was the organization itself great, obviously the machine is great, but the level of service and support that we can get also fits perfectly.
And talk me through the first machine you got back to the UK.
So we had the first machine, it was on test in our facility for 3 or 4 months all told. And as I said, the main points that we're looking for, especially with the wire machine, the AWT system on this machine is the most reliable that I've seen. They also can hold up to 3 microns and less accuracy. Obviously, conditions are important for that. But also, not only that, the machine's great, but the company have got continued investment into R&D.
Where would this fit in the UK market on, let's say, price point reliability?
Yeah. So I think it's for the cost effectiveness, you get that extremely reliable AWT system, you get the accuracy you need, and also you get the service and support from Eurospark as well.
So what does this partnership mean to Eurospark? Because you already had a good range of machines to your name, and you've now brought in another brand with another load of machines. Yeah. So how does this help you offer to the UK?
So we want to be sure that we can continue to provide latest technology to our customers. We want to make sure we're ahead of trends. We don't want to fall behind. And this machine is the entry-level version, the more cost-effective version, with more to come.
And what does the future hold for KMWAY and Eurospark?
So obviously we have this first range to bring to market. There is also the more premium version, the FF series, which will come to market sometime next year. That's got some more premium features, automation ready, and also has got an advanced cutting circuit for higher precision cutting if required.